Hey friends, I am so excited about my Kit for Mini Kit Monday for March 2020. We have this ridiculously gorgeous mood board that Becky chose. I mean, it's so cute. Look at how cute that little bird is. So we have, I'm looking at this. I see like chevrons or arrows. I see feathers. I see this gorgeous little Parisian bit. There's aqua, pink, kind of mustardy colors, and black, and I love black on things. So really beautiful, really great florals. So we can go in a bazillion different ways, but I do like that we're getting an infusion of color. So I'm gonna leave that right here. Now what I decided to do is go through some of my kits I have. And I have kits from kit clubs that I've tried out. I have kits I've put together. I have this stack of kits, and I'm working through some because I do have some goodies coming in and I don't want things just to pile up. So I'm going to be kind of just using mini kits. So the first one I'm going to do, and we have 4 Mondays to create with this month. So this is going to give me one layout. And it's from the Simple Stories collection. Do you see how the bird thing works? And these colors are so gorgeous with this. This mini kit matches the best out of any of them that I will be using. So this is Simple Stories. It is, like I said, it's called Simple Vintage Garden District. I didn't say that. I meant to say that. So I've got a lot of these chipboard pieces. A lot of them are also trying to escape. So I've got these beautiful hearts in here. I've got these gorgeous birds, which is why I thought of this immediately. A little bit of title stuff I can do. It looks like postage stamps. So it's very pretty, like cottage roses. It's gorgeous. I don't even have a photo for this yet. I just think it's so pretty. Looks like I have just a couple scraps in this great, it's like a creamy aqua. It's very pretty. And then I have this right here, which looks like, clearly it all matches. It's the same line. So I have a couple scraps. Great. I have the chipboard. And then let's see what we have for paper, because I don't even know. Oh, there's an escaped one. I have some Snow White textured cardstock. It is bright, bright white, so it will make things pop off the page nicely. Then I only have one full size sheet. So this one is called Love More. It's like one of those frameable pieces. Like you could just slap this in a frame in your art room and be happy. I know me. I mean, the chances are exceedingly high that I will detail cut this out, pop a cute photo right there. My photos usually go about here-ish on pages. I'm trying to move them around. So I'm going to have that. Now, what I think I will do, because I'm designing as I go, is I'm going to try really hard to leave the border so that I can border, have a nice little border around this bright white, because it's going to need a little something extra. So I have that, and I have this. Now, it doesn't look like I have much of a title, but I can use Love This. So what I'm going to do with each of these kits that I'm using, I'm going to try super hard to use as much as I can from the kits. Then I will bring in extras. I don't know, rub-ons, enamel dots, whatever, but I will do my best with this and then do little add-ons. So that is my plan. So this is one of the layouts. So pretty. I just need a pretty photo. Okay, next. I have this one. It is gorgeous. And this always reminds me of Vicki Boot in this collection. It's Photo Play Wild and Honey. So let me show you the paper. So I think I'm going to get 2 layouts out of this one. So I've got this really great saturated plaid. It has black touches. And this is, every time I start filming, I start getting a runny nose, and I don't even know what that is. Okay, so it's got this like fleur-de-lis looking design, very dramatic. That would be great if I had Renaissance Festival photos, which I don't have. We didn't even have Renaissance Festival last year. But this has this vibe very nicely. Oh, I do have a full-size piece of Basil cardstock in. Which way does it go? Oh, it's Basil. It is in. It is so hard to read because it's smudgy. Oh, it's in black and it's textured. So I have black texture. I have that piece. I have this gorgeous piece called Nectar. So this is a detail cutting extravaganza if one wanted to. Super pretty. We have the nice florals. These look more like poppies. I have roses more in this one, but never mind. We're picking up some of the aquas, some of the yellows, some of the greens. Backside, super easy to use. It is black with tiny little white hexies. And then this one is called Sweet Honeybee. So tone on tone in the aqua teal. Oh, and then we have some cut apart. So that's fun because that could start a title really nicely for me. With Brave Wings, She Flies. That's super cool. So love this. I associate honey with my youngest. So that'll be interesting to see what I come up with. And then we have this honeycomb. It's called Busy Bee. It is a scrap. Oh, we're talking to little bees. So cute. And a couple more scraps from this. And then this one's Queen Bee. That is so gorgeous. It's a scrap. Clearly, I've already used it. And I try to use scraps first as I'm going through kits. So let's see what we have here. So we have most of this photo play sticker sheet called Element Stickers. So very dramatic, bold designs like that balloon. We've got those flowers that I wanted to detail cut out. Super cool butterfly. So a nice little banner. So we have that. And then in the little baggie of happiness here. And I think all of the kits that I'm using are all from Scrap Room. I used to belong to that kit club. We have You and Me, a cute little butterfly. I feel like that needs to be cut out. I don't want it in the square as much. The fleur-de-lis again. Little thank you sign, but you know, you can always cover the thank you. Like you can legit go like that with a pop dot and it's cute. Cute little balloon. It reads, Oh Joy. A heart and some twine. So definitely you've got some pieces to use there. Very interested to see what's going to come out of this one. And then finally, I have a collection I've really been wanting to use. It's much newer to me than these two kits. It doesn't mean it's new. I'll take a look-see. And this one's a little bit more of a wild card for our inspiration piece. This is called Coffee and Friends by Echo Park. Haven't used any of it. Oh, and the packaging had this little piece of washi on there. So I stuck it on there because you never know when you can use it, right? I will use what comes to me. So let's go to our papers first. For my cardstock in this one, there is basil. It's textured in white. Okay. Then I have, and like I said, this is all called Coffee and Friends. This one is called Letterboard. So it's like a painted white wood. Very cool. Looks like a front porch on an older home. And then the backside looks like a giant letterboard. Awesome. So we have some of the nice black in here. So I'll just do A sides. You don't see it that well off of that. Maybe I'll slide something in there. This is 4x6 journaling cards. So we have a nice tone on tone green, which brings this in. Oh, and the back clearly is journaling cards. And that would be a really great title piece. I'd have to zhuzh it up maybe with some Nuvo for one of the photos I have in mind. I have two layouts I'm going to be getting out of this one, by the way. So some of these are just too big for me. They're huge, but they would make awesome cards. We'll see what I end up using as we go. So I think right now I'll go ahead and do that so we can see it better. This is called Frothy Flowers. So just a really great black and white plaid. Super easy to use. Oh, and this is so pretty and soft. I think these are gardenias. Are these gardenias, guys? You guys always know stuff. They are beautiful. They're super separated out, so you can detail cut them. They are gorgeous. So do that. The next one's Coffee Shop Wall. So all these really pretty flowers in this. It's kind of like this peachy blush color like you see here, with just greenery. And some of the greenery is separated out, so talk about being able to layer. That is awesome. Oh my goodness, and the back is definitely cool. What was this called again? Coffee Shop Wall. Look at all the signs. That is so cool. And they read things like, You're the cream to my coffee, life begins after coffee. Let's see, I'm not addicted to coffee, we're just in a committed relationship. So it's cute and snarky. Let's see, maybe I can slide that like that. Okay, and then this one's called Brewing Buds. So this is like a really nice gray blue. It's bringing in another tone. And then this is, once again, like if you like to detail cut, you can have yourselves a time. I mean, look at those itty bitty little ones. They're so cute. So cute. All right, so that is gorgeous. And this time I'm gonna do A sides, B sides flip. So you can see that there is some saturation and there's some subdued bits. Okay, I have the entire 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Super adorable. So it has a lot of those same sentiments I was reading on this. So I'll go to this first for my decor, and then I will go to the pattern paper. Love this really big border here. Coffee is my best friend. Cute little coffee pot right there. Like decorated to-go coffee cups, little tiny details. So, oh, and I always love me a banner. And there's wood grain. Hello. So super cute there. And time to, yeah, I'll just go like that. It's fine. You guys can see the inspiration piece for the most part. And then the goodies that came with it, I have little die cuts. And why don't I just slap a piece of white here? I think I'm gonna come in too. All right, so just cute little floral piece that is less than an inch. It is little. Might have to come in even more, it's so little. So just cute little banner cutout-y bit. But first coffee. A nice little tag. It reads, on a bad day, there's always coffee. This one reads, all things are possible with coffee. I like this scalloped-y bit right here. You're the cream to my coffee. And this is one of those pop-out pieces right there. So, okay, I don't need to detail this that much. I was just trying to show you how cute these little pieces are. I get overly excited with scrappy supplies. Look at those cute little mugs. We're the perfect blend. So, oh, there's some nice navy. So I do have plenty of pieces. So I'd have to look at this one really and work with it. I think, because that makes sense. I do think I will be able to get the one title from that giant card, the thank you card, because somebody brought me coffee on a day that I was in the need. So that would be cool. And once again, this doesn't have enamel dots. It does not have mist in it. I have to sneeze. Squeeze. So I'm going to be bringing in any of those bits I need, but the big concentration is on these 3 kits that I had picked up once upon a time. So I will have links down below to the other Mini Kit Monday group creators. If you have any questions or comments, leave them, all that kind of stuff. And I'm just excited to get creating. All right, bye friends.